We have the C8 Corvette wrapped. So we have the whole front clip, which is the bumper and the hood, the fenders, headlights. We have the lower rockers, lower doors. We have the mirrors and A-pillars protected. It's time to correct the rest of the paint, get it all glossed up, and we're going to break out the ceramic coating and protect the rest of the panels. The roof painted in carbon flash, as well as the vents and the rear spoiler and other areas throughout the C8 Corvette here. We're going to reach for the Bilt Hamber cleaner polish. We'll attach a Carb Pro gloss pad onto our 15mm throw battery operated polisher, and we're going to get to work. We'll also reach for our high quality, high GSM, no edge towels. That way we keep that perfect surface as we're removing residue from the polish itself. We've never had a brand new car that didn't need some type of correction or finishing. This one here didn't have too much to speak of when it comes to spot correcting, just minor areas here and there. And then we go to this step here, which just brings out extra gloss and is equal to a finish polish. We need to keep in mind the A-pillar has been wrapped in PPF. We need to keep away from that with the backing plate and the polishing pad. So we'll just be mindful, no need to tape or do any type of guarding of that film. It is dried, it is sticking well to the A-pillar. We just need to be careful polishing around it. The shop manager seems pleased with the progress we're making on the C8 so far. We wipe off the residue with our towel, and that leaves behind a very glossy, reflective, crisp reflections in the carbon flash roof. We're going to repeat this process all the way around the vehicle where the paint hasn't been protected with film. Only stopping to break out polishers of different sizes, 3-inch, 2-inch, rotary extension, whatever it takes to get in areas and gloss them up. The polishing process is done. Absolutely stunning finish on the C8. The color combination is really starting to pop, and that will only increase as we add the coating itself and let it start to cure. Follow up with a panel prep. Make sure we have any residues, oils, waxes off the surface, and we'll protect these areas first. Underneath the frunk, we have some plastic trim pieces to take care of. Yeah, you can absolutely go over them with whatever coating you're using to protect the paint, but our trim coating is made to penetrate the pores of plastic. It's very thin and will restore and condition, and when it dries and cures, it acts just like a full-blown ceramic coating. Easy to use, self-leveling, and even the new vehicle here, it can get that black or gray plastic trim darker and richer and just looking fantastic. And again, when it cures, it will protect it for years to come. The plastic in the frunk area can get moisture when washing or if caught in rain, and when it dries, it can stain or spot. We'll protect to make this easy to blow out of there, clean out of there, and just keep it looking dark and rich and like new. Same thing in the trunk area itself. Around the edges outside of the seal, you can get water spots, and this helps control that a bit. At car shows, they like to park the convertibles like this, with the deck up in the air and the two-piece top partly submerged. Well, when that's up in the air, it shows the carbon flash paint job underneath the rear deck and the plastic cover that covers the engine. And we want to keep that not only clean and spot free, but looking darker and richer. It can be a little bit blotchy from factory. We'll fix that. And absolutely, the carbon flash paint prepped just like we would the paint on the outside of the vehicle as well. Door jambs inside of the gas cap, and then we're soon ready to tackle the outward facing painted surfaces of the C8. Okay, let's button everything up. And yes, we're going to apply the coating on top of the film. Remember, the whole front clip here, hood, headlights, bumper, fenders, all have PPF protecting them, and we will coat that as well. Same thing with the A-pillars, and you can absolutely protect vinyl, and it doesn't matter if it's gloss or stealth or satin or matte finish. You can protect them with this coating. And we simply take our time and repeat this process all the way around the vehicle every square inch. Coating applied, time to cure. The slickness, the gloss will only increase for the next few days. Our coating only takes 4 hours to bond, so we can lower the vehicle and apply the topper. Finis Titan will do the trick. The cherry on top with the tire coating, Hydrosilix SiO2 Tire Shine. What a fantastic treat it's been protecting another C8. Let's back this thing outside and let my worst critic take a look, and that is the sun. That will do it for this video and short series as a whole. We specialize in preserving vehicles like this, classics, antiques, collectibles, sports cars, supercars. Although we're in Pennsylvania, we do work from Massachusetts, West Virginia, Ohio, New Jersey, Maryland, Delaware. Bring them in, we'll protect them for you. This has been Brian from Apex Detail. I'll catch you in the next video.